If you are looking for affordable smartphone with solid specifications and eye-pleasing design, look no further. Big beautiful 6.6-inch 2K display, great 48 megapixel rear camera, 8.8mm ultra thin body and a ceramic-like mint green color design are just some of the standout features, so be sure to watch this Oukitel C38 video review and find out more. The Oukitel brand is renowned for its durability, reliability and affordability. Now it's adding a Oukitel C38 smartphone to its budget lineup. So let's start unboxing and a look at the contents of this box. We'll set the smartphone aside now and explore the other content. So here's the Oukitel C38 user manual, variant card, SIM pin, USB Type-C cable and the 80-watt fast charger. Those are all items included in this retail package. Now let's take a closer look at the smartphone itself. The Oukitel C38 comes protected out of the box with a silicone case that will ensure your phone stays look new for a long time. It also comes with a factory installed screen protector, providing all-around protection for your device. Of course, we will remove this silicone case to get a better view of this C38's stunning design. The phone showcases a ceramic-like texture complemented by graceful curves. This design doesn't just show elegance, it's also infused the smartphone with a lovely and youthful aura. With the introduction of captivating mint green color variant, it captures the essence of a spring and the refreshing vibe of the summer. With a thickness of only 8.8mm and weight about 200 grams, the Oukitel C38 is incredibly portable with a smooth and comfortable grip experience. On the right side, in this elegant metallic looking frame, we find the volume up and down buttons, as well as the power button, which is also a fingerprint reader. On the opposite side, you will find the SD card tray with 2 slots. This allows you for simultaneously use the 2 4G nano SIM cards or 1 SIM card and a micro SD card with up to 1 TB of additional storage. In the lower part, we find the microphone hole, USB Type-C charging port and the speaker grills. Now let's turn to the front. The screen sports a 6.6-inch 2K display protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass 5, ensuring durability and peace of mind, offering enhanced resistance to scratches and damage. In the water drop notch at the top center is superb 32-megapixel front camera from Sony with a face lock function, perfect for your selfies, video calls and online meetings. I must say, this is one of the brightest screens I ever used. If you are frequently spend time outdoors, the C38 display is an excellent choice. This large screen is ideal for viewing documents, demanding websites and multimedia content, especially videos on YouTube. With a 6.6-inch 2K FHD Plus resolution, screen provides a pleasant experience for enjoying multimedia content, games and photos. Regarding screen brightness, I encountered no issues with visibility on bright sunny days. The display remains bright and reliable in various lighting conditions. With a 60Hz display, don't expect groundbreaking features, but everything functions correctly and meets expectations with this price range. The vivid display and the satisfactory black levers contribute to a great contrast ratio, enhancing the color rendering on the screen. Colors maintain accurately clarity and sharpness, providing an enjoyable viewing experience for various content types. Let's take a look at the back of the phone now. The back is made of plastic, which I support. I don't like the glass backs because they are fragile. This unique design not only exudes elegance but also adds a vibrant and youthful vibe to the smartphone in this mint green color option. It also has 2 circular islands on the back for cameras and the sensors. The camera department is handled through the dual camera setup, which is reminiscent of the Huawei P50 series, and there is no doubt about that, but it looks good. Photography fans will love the Oukitel C38 triple camera configuration, which contains of the 40-megapixel Sony main sensor, 2-megapixel macro sensor and a 0.3-megapixel depth sensor. In addition, it offers the option of recording videos in 2K resolution and 30 fps. The camera works surprisingly well for this price range of smartphones. You can see for ourselves how it looks in a few sample photos and the videos we took using our Oukitel C38, so let's take a look. Running the software side, the Oukitel C38 is based on the pure Android 13, so we enjoy given its simple and easy to use navigate interface, simple and recognizable. It has usual all Google apps pre-installed as well as some light useful apps such as Always Useful Toolbox or FM radio. In terms of performance, the C38 stands out, effortlessly handling tasks and applications without any noticeable lag. You can even enjoy the wide array of popular titles available on the Google Play Store thanks to the phone MT8788 octa-core processor, which is a mix of powerful hardware plus 4G LTE modem integrated in a power-efficient 12nm technology. Graphics is provided by a high-capable ARM-Mali G72 MP3 GPU operating up to 800 MHz, ensuring optimal performance to both work and multimedia, providing a seamless, energy-conscious phone experience. While it ensures ample gameplay for most games, it is essential to know that miracles should not be expected. Regarding memory, the phone offers a maximum of up to 24 GB of RAM, comprising a base of 6 GB of additional 8 GB of extended RAM, and that might be enough for undemanding users. With the 256 GB of internal memory UFS 2.1, which can be upgraded with a memory card up to 1 TB, I believe that you will have plenty of space for all your applications, videos and photos. With the 5150 mAh battery, the smartphone offers over a month on standby time and 26 hours of continuous music playback or 20 hours of talking time, ensuring uninterrupted usage. The C38 features a comprehensive 3-in-1 navigation system, supports GPS, GLONASS and Galileo positioning. This combination ensures enhanced accuracy and reliability for location-based services during all the outdoor adventures. We also have a Bluetooth 5.0, dual-band Wi-Fi and a dual 4G LTE with the VoLTE. There is a standard support for NFC and Google Pay mobile payment. Everything you want you get on this budget phone. The quality during phone conversation or by sending mobile data or connecting to the Wi-Fi network work without any problems. This very not expensive smartphone is very simply equipped. It's not a high-end mobile phone and you can tell that, however, all functions are absolutely there and it runs really well and stable, and what it is important is reliable. The screen is really legible, bright and vivid. The cameras are also good. The phone only have 8.8mm and weight about 200 grams, even package a large 8150 mAh battery. Visually the smartphone looks absolutely great, so the C38 makes a good and valuable impression both visually and haptically. In terms of value for money, the Oukitel C38 smartphone is a very good device. It currently costs a little more than $150 and in return you get a decent, good looking smartphone, so I can recommend it for all those who don't want to leave too much money for a new smartphone, because in this you really get everything that average user needs. So, the official sales links are below this video. Be sure to visit them and get your new Oukitel C38 today, because now is the chance while the promotional offer lasts. That will be all for now. See you soon in the next video review. Bye.